Hi, I'm Jason Ellis, and this is Ann Rose and Catherine Plaisant. We are from the Human-Computer Interaction Lab at the University of Maryland. We're currently working with the Cognetics Corporation to redesign the information system for the Maryland Department of Juvenile Justice. The current information system is text-based and requires users to memorize cryptic commands and search through dozens of screens to find useful information.
Our new system design supports DJJ workflow using visualization techniques and worker-specific screens. The interface facilitates task scheduling and document management. Different categories of users are presented with different initial screens. Here is a screen for a case worker, a facility worker, and a resource coordinator.
As a caseworker, I have to manage several youths and their cases. Here I see my assignments listing each youth's name, status, complaint, etc. Other views are available for common tasks. For example, I can display the addresses of each youth and then print them to go on visits. I have been assigned a new case, so the system added a schedule hearing reminder in my to-do list because I need to meet with John and his parents. I double-click on Schedule Hearing and a partially filled in form letter is displayed. I'll enter the hearing date and time and then send the letter. The hearing reminder is now in my to-do list. I have to meet with Bart today, so I need to review his record. Double-clicking on his name displays his record. This region shows basic information about the youth and critical flags. Here, the Lifeline gives me a graphical overview of Bart's involvement with DJJ. Other tabs lead to medical and education information, supervision reports, etc. The event list complements the Lifelines. A click on this red tick highlights the event in the list showing it's a hospital admission. We can also filter to see only medical events, reviews, or behavior reports. We can also filter on a single case. Most of the time, we want to focus on the active cases. Here I can see I need to make an intake decision for this case. A click on the line shows the list of relevant documents. The referral and schedule hearing forms have already been filled out, but I still need to work on the intake decision report.
Now let's look at a facility worker screen. This is a screen for Waxter, a detention center. Here I see the population list. Other views are available, such as use off-site and the court appearances for today. I can admit, release, check in or check out use, and generate reports. Facility worker often need to do group check-in and check-out quickly. To do this, I print out a barcoded list of the kids, for example, the one going to court, and when the court van arrives, I use a barcode to check them out quickly.
Finally, let's look at the program finder. A resource coordinator would use this screen to find the best program for Bart Simpson. Each dot on the map is a program. Bart needs to be placed in a residential facility that accepts young boys. Notice there are fewer dots on the map. Next, I'll consider physical restrictiveness. Since Bart is not a security risk, I choose security 1 through 4. The black lines show the value for the selected program. I prefer a program with level 2 security, so I click on 2. The yellow star marks my preferred value. Now the yellow dots are the best matches, and the red are the worst ones. Finally, I consider special interventions Bart might need. Since he was referred for narcotics possession, I choose programs with strong substance abuse treatment. The best match is also closest to Bart's home, so I'll request that he be placed there.
In designing the new information system, we tried to focus on the user and their tasks by keeping workflow at the core of our design. These techniques can be extended to other case management tasks, both within and outside DJJ.